Hey friends, today is March 19th. Yeah, I'm heading for breakfast or lunch. More like lunch. I still have one day in Hyderabad. I need to decide if I'll extend one more day or not. Yeah, so there is a night bus to Nagpur, but it's 20 euro. So I'm just thinking what to do, or go by bus, or the flight is 50, almost 60 euro. And yeah, also it's an option train, also 20 euro, or just public bus. But public bus makes a lot of stops, so you will be hard. So by the way, near my place it's Microsoft, like Microsoft headquarters in India, or just Microsoft, Hyderabad Microsoft. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, so I'm at this local place like second or third time. Like this is egg paratha, so very good. So I'm at Golconda Fort. A lot of tour guides. Hey. No, thank you.
We take guide to explaining.
Yeah.
Guidebook English 50.
Up to Marshall
Guidebook map.
Back check. Okay. Yeah, so not sure if I'm going. It looks cool though. Looks like a cool fort. But if it's expensive, I don't know. Like, I could spend my money somewhere else. Yeah, so pay 300. I'm gonna go check it out still. Yeah, it looks like a huge area. Heard like you need 2-3 hours to explore everything. You can hear bats there, like squeak. Yeah, this fort looks very old. I think it's built in 11th century. It was first built out of mud, but I think destroyed. Some kind of old Indian empire was ruling here. There you go. Huge area.
आगे चाय मीनार है जो कि नहीं दिखा। नहीं, मेरे को भी नहीं दिखा था। उसके आगे था बोले काला काला।
So I came to this random place, and ordered chicken rice for 90 rupees. Yeah. So we'll try it out. Yeah, so came to this place. I heard the reviews. It's the best dosas in Hyderabad. I'm gonna check it out. And man, they're completely from here, fresh. Yeah, so the noodles were super fresh. Yeah, the taste is very good. Like, very fluffy. The idlis are very good here. The dosa it's not bad. The special dosa with some kind of like potato seasoning, you know. It's like on French fries in Europe, so it's kind of so-so. But the menu is simple, but yeah, the food, it's okay, not bad. So that's G Hub. We're in IT area. Yeah, so I just came back. I'm doing my laundry, but the washing machine, I don't know, it's like washing almost without water. Like a little bit like this, you know. Also was looking for a good sunscreen. I don't know, I bought this one. It looks like chemicals free, like this is it. So it costed 585, but I didn't check the date, so it ends this year in November. So it was May 2022. Yeah. So yeah, it's kind of old. I don't know. They just gave me the oldest one. Didn't check because it says like don't put it. Store below 30. So 2002, 2003 definitely was not below 30. Well, whatever. Yeah, so this Ford that was today was okay, but I don't know, if I skipped it, it wouldn't be a big deal. Also, the Charminar area was very nice. Like the Muslims weren't pushy at all, you know. They're quite different than Hinduists. I don't know, it's like kind of weird. There's so kind of different manners, different like food, everything. But yeah, I enjoyed. Yesterday was more enjoyable than today. Yeah, felt better. So I'm gonna check out a bus to Nagpur now. Maybe I'll have any luck. There's like a bus for 2,000 or for 1,000 day bus, but you need to drive like 10 hours. Be on the bus like for 10 hours, so that's a lot. Yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, if I book it, I'll gonna say my plans next. Hey, so I just booked a ticket from Hyderabad to Nagpur. It's gonna be 11 hours. I leave from GBS station at 4:30 p.m. and I'm gonna arrive like 3 a.m. in the morning to Nagpur bus station. So probably I'll go to bed 6. Yeah, but it's cheaper, and if I take the night bus, I know like all next day is gonna be lost. I'm gonna be like, not good. I don't know. I just feel like better do it in daytime, and then just have a later day. Like I can wake up 12, or I can wake up, 1 p.m. But still, it's not gonna super disrupt my patterns. Like I can fix it. So yeah, and it costed, at first it says it's gonna cost like 863, and then the price went up to like 1155. So yeah. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna end my day, gonna take a shower, do my laundry. I don't know, that washing machine kind of awkward, washing almost without any water. Yeah, so yeah, see you tomorrow.